guess you thought we had no sense at all, keeping our tide so that you can ball. Keep talking that mess, that's fine. How you pray, preach, and steal at the same time. That's our name on the church bus. Clean out your office and get away from us. Standing in the pulpit, looking at us like we some fools. Talking about we're never gonna find a pastor like you. You got it twisted. You must not know about us. You must not know about us. We can have another you in a minute. Matter of fact, they'll be here in a minute. Pastor, you must not know about us. You must not know about us. We'll get someone to preach this Sunday, so don't you ever for a second get to thinking you're irreplaceable. Go ahead and get gone. Call no pilgrim and see if they home. Oops, I bet you thought, Lord, they'll never know. What did you think we were putting you out for? Rep, you was untrue. Spent our money on strip clubs and tattoos. What a doggone shame. Your Bentley is in the church's name. Standing in the pulpit, looking at us like we some fools. Talking about we're never gonna